Page 74, this is another 3-minute technique. At the top of the page they give you some instructions of things to do. Now, basically you're kind of working on rhythms. I don't like doing rhythms and things like this. I prefer to work on them in the actual pieces, but this book is doing it, so here we go. And they give you the counting at the beginning of each of these lines for the right hand of what it is. They want you to count it out. Make sure you can count it out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and the second line, or I'm talking right hand, second right hand line, 1 and 2 and 3 and see they changed the eighth notes. And the last line is all at 1 and 2 and 3 and that's really what they're after here, I guess. It's, and you play it slowly and fastly at different tempos. 1, 2. So when you go fast, you don't have time to go 1 and 2 and 3 and. You have to feel it. It's one. You just count the 1, 2, 3, and you know there's an and in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Like so. And the second one for the. You're doing each of these at different tempos. Last one. And then there's other instructions. You repeat it an octave higher. You go up here. Each one. For the left hand, the left hand, you're mirroring each other. You can play them an octave apart. You don't have to play them there. Now, watch out on the third measure. You're not mirroring each other. Now you're together. So that the notes are not, that doesn't work out real well at the same time. The point is, you gotta be careful because you may not be what you think it is. So read it carefully here. But the idea is you're working both hands. You may not be working them at the same time, although I think you could if you just check. Whatever. And the last one you're here, they got staccatos there. Nice light wrist staccato. You can add the dynamics if you want and all. That's just give you a little more music to practice doing these different rhythms and articulations and things. And they say do it at a slow speed, a moderate speed, and a fast speed, and whatever. However fast you go, it has to be even and accurate. Don't go faster than that. So whatever. See, I'm playing the left hand way down here. It's here. Again, you have to play it exactly where it's written, but play these notes somewhere. Start with a C, some C. I could play them up here. It doesn't matter where you play it. And on the left hand, they say when you repeat it, do it an octave lower. Well, that's okay if you're going to play it where it's written. If you're playing it elsewhere, then that may not work so well.